J Drone here. We are out in Atlantic City with the Bugs 3, and I'm not going to jabberjaw through this whole flight. I'm just going to give you a little bit of information, a little bit of fair warning. I'm out pretty early in the morning. As you can see, there's not too many people on the boardwalk. Occasionally, you'll see somebody come down or somebody on a bike or whatnot. But they generally run a helicopter up and down this coast, either the Coast Guard and off of the end of that pier there, they do helicopter flights. If you're coming to Atlantic City, you need to be careful of that. I got clearance to fly here. I spoke to a police officer, and he said as long as you don't get in the airspace of the helicopters, and there's also a plane that drives around, flies around with a banner off the end of it, which is actually considerably higher than the helicopters. But the helicopters are like at 150, 250 feet. So this thing could easily get in its path. Right now, how high we are, it would probably get in its path. So again, we're out early morning. If you are going to go out to a coast, you need to make sure that you are not getting in anything's flight space. You also need to make sure you're able to fly here. I didn't think I'd get clearance to fly here because of all the people, all the buildings and whatnot, but he said, no, dude, you're good. Just don't chase people with the drone and make sure you don't get into anybody's airspace. And as you can see, we got some dope footage here. A lot of the time it's the photographer, a lot of the time it's the drone flyer, which I combine this maybe 25% me. 25% my flight skills that I'm able to get this up that high and picture what the drone's seeing, because I'm not in FPV. I'm flying by a point of view. I'm flying by sight here. So that's me kind of getting a gist of, yeah, I think I'm going to canvas that building. I think I'm going to be, but the buildings itself, my environment here made for epic footage, guys. I got the ocean moving to the left of me. Occasionally you'll see somebody on a boardwalk moving to the right. Occasionally you'll see a bird fly by. This was an excellent shoot. I enjoyed shooting this, I think, the most out of anything I've ever shot, and I've shot a lot of stuff. To actually shoot animated stuff like that, ocean's animated. Somebody just went down the boardwalk, to have large buildings that you can get close enough to. This was an epic shoot. And again, this was with the Bugs 3, MJX Bugs 3. If you're looking for that next level from like your X5 clones, this might be it. This has a lot of power. It has great range, great responsiveness. Alright guys, I'm done jabberjawing. I'm J Drone. If you haven't subscribed, click that subscribe button. Here's a little burn down the beach. And if you're on Facebook, check out Drone Days. Dope group we have going on there. Most informative on Facebook, fastest growing. Alright guys, take care. I'm going to pipe in some music.